Hello, everybody. This is Rick, your singing wealth coach. And today I have a question for you. Is your money coming back to you? Does your money return back to you? Is your money that you spend out coming back in the way that you spend it out, or even at a more frenetic pace than the way you spend it? In other words, let's look at a couple of definitions. We have the definition here of circulation. Circulation is orderly movement in an induced manner. And that the word induce means to persuade or cause something. So my question to you is that, all right, do you have a system that causes your money, induces your money to come back to you at a rate that's faster than you spending it out? Well, if you don't have that system, I'd like to introduce you to the idea out of common law trust. The reason that I work out of common law trust is because I'm able to expense everything that I spend money on with every vendor that I spend money with. Let me give you an example. If you're going to spend $50,000 this year on gas, you can expense that gas through your trust and get back all $50,000 that you spent, up to 10 times whatever you spent. In other words, the money that you spent out can come back in. But you can't operate this way out of an LLC, C Corp, or S Corp because you don't qualify for these tax credits. If you want your money to come back to you the way that you send it out, then I invite you to join our Financial IQ Challenge. Just point to the link below, financialiqchallenge.com, and sign up for a class. Our class is a mere $97 for the entire week, so that we can teach you. One thing that we'll teach you within this five-day period of time is how to get your money circulating. Everything that you send out, it deserves to come back in an orderly fashion, in an induced fashion, returning back to you. And you can learn how to do that if you decide to sign up and listen for that 5-day period of time. All right, glad to have you. It's been a plum, please, and pleasure, as well as a privilege. And remember that stellar is as stellar does. I'll see you in class.